So here's what I came up with. So to create a new image, I first generate a new UUID, and then I've extracted all the logic for creating a new image into the createImage function. This function has three parameters: the group ID, for which an ID of an image group in which we want to create an image, an ID of an image, and the event that was sent to us from the API gateway. And event that was sent to us from API gateway. And if we go to this createImage function, it should look familiar to you. So first of all, we generate a new timestamp using the new date class, using the new date to ISO string. Then we parse the event that was sent by API gateway, and then we parse the body of a request from API gateway and create a new item for the image that we want to store. And then, just as before, I use the put method to write a new item to a DynamoDB table, and I call the promise method to convert this method call into a promise. Now if we scroll up, then this createImage function returns the new item, and I return the new item to the caller. In the serverless.yaml, what I did, I first of all added the put item permission into the action section. And in the function definition, I've added a new event, which is a post that is for the groups, group ID, images path. And I've added a new validator I've added a documentation section which defines the summary and description for this method and defines the model that should be used to validate the new image request. And the model looks similar to what we have defined in this lesson. It uses a JSON schema file that I've added to the models folder. And if we go here, it looks very similar to what we have implemented in this lesson, with the only difference is that here we only require a single field, which is a title of a type string, and just as before, it is a required field and we don't allow additional properties.